Happy Friday, guys. Today's workout, Friday, April 8th. We've got two parts. Part A is going to spend about 15 minutes building to a heavy clean and jerk for today. So not a 1 rep max. If you feel capable of feeling strong, then go for it. But it's just something challenging for today. Part B is going to be every minute for 15 minutes, 3 ground to overhead, so it can be clean and jerks or snatch, or like a clean and push press, whatever works for you, as long as the barbell goes from the ground to up and overhead. And then 6 burpees over the bar, okay? So today they're gonna be lateral. You don't have to make them bar facing because it's a decent amount of burpees today. And if you happen to miss or not get all the reps in 1 minute, finish out the reps that you're doing for that round, skip the next round, and then get into the following round, okay? Because it's a decent amount of burpees in there. We're gonna talk about warming up, going over the points of performance, and then having at it, okay? So first thing we're gonna do is a general warm up. We're gonna do this 1 round through. It's gonna be 10 honey I'm homes. Feet underneath those hips. I'm gonna reach up to the sky, lean back, keep those legs nice and straight, touch those toes. 10 reps. From there, the next thing we're gonna do is just get 10 air squats in. Air squats, making sure that those feet are shoulder width apart. I'm driving my knees outward, keeping my torso upright, getting full range of motion in. Next thing we're gonna do is 5 inchworm push-ups, okay? So keeping those legs nice and straight, walking out to that plank position, doing a push-up, then bringing those hands all the way back in, standing tall. Stretching out those hamstrings. On that 5th one, stay down on the ground. Next thing we're gonna do are 5 groiners per side, okay? You can freestyle it here, making sure that you open up those hips, getting ready for those ground overhead. You might wanna catch it in that squat. Hang out about 2 to 3 seconds per side. Make it more dynamic today. Just trying to move. From there, guys, we're taking a little breather. You're gonna need your PVC pipe out and the barbell. First round of the next thing and we're gonna do just with the PVC pipe. Second round, we'll add a little weight on, go with the empty barbell. When we got that PVC pipe, I'm going to get 10 clean grip deadlifts, okay? Feet underneath those hips, shoulders stay over that PVC pipe, standing tall. From there, 10 hang power cleans. So right above the knee, jump shrug, fast elbows through. Work on that good front rack position. From there, let's go ahead and do 10 front squats. Maintaining that solid front rack position, driving those elbows up towards the sky. And the last thing we're gonna do is 10 push press, okay? From that front rack position, using those legs, jump that weight up and overhead, warming up those shoulders, pausing at the top, about a second or two. From there, you're gonna take a little breather. You can either do it again with a PVC pipe, but I would suggest using an empty barbell. Start warming up with load, getting ready for those heavy clean and jerks and the weight that we plan on using for the ground overhead in part B. So let's go ahead and do everything one more time with the empty barbell. You're gonna do it on your own. Pause the video if you need to, so we can move on to the next part. From there, after you've just loaded or used the empty barbell for 10, 10, 10 again of deadlifts, hang power cleans, and front squats and push press, now we're gonna start practicing adding some more load on, getting the clean and jerks in, like the full rep, and then from there, opening up those explosive hits to get ready for heavier load, and also for those burpees over the bar. So now with the, like, I'd say 10s on either side for the bar, we're gonna do 5 clean and jerks. They don't have to be cycled, or like for an AMRAP here, you can do singles here, just loading up a little bit heavier. So fast elbows through, jump, punch, and land. For today, it's your choice. You can either do a push jerk like I just did, or you can do your split jerk. I prefer split jerks for things that are a little heavier. It's just up to you. And whatever you start with, I recommend you stick with for the duration of today's training session, okay? When it comes to ground overhead, you can go back to push jerk because it's gonna be a little higher speed. After your 5 clean and jerks with light load, go ahead and do 5 broad jumps. Broad jumps off your balls of your feet. Reach those feet out, land nice and softly, turn back around, and go again. We're gonna do that for 2 sets, adding a little weight on each time for your clean and jerks. So 5 clean and jerks, 5 broad jumps, rest a little bit, 5 more clean and jerks, 5 more broad jumps. After that, one last time through, it's gonna be 3 and 3 of heavier clean and jerks, and this time burpee broad jump. So you do your burpee, stand tall, do your broad jump. Burpee, stand tall, do your broad jump. Rest a little bit more, then 3 and 3 again, clean and jerks and burpee broad jumps. Trying to add weight on for each set of clean and jerks that you're doing, so you can start off at a moderate load for your singles of heavier clean and jerks. Comment below on your scores. Happy Friday.